Hey there. First off, we want to thank you so much for purchasing your brand new EV from us here at Sheridan Ford. We're proud to call you part of our family. What we're going to do today, and just as a little keepsake for you to keep with you in case you ever forget, is we're going to show you how to go over finding a charging station in public and how to use it. So let's check it out. So here we are in, this is an F-150 Lightning, but this will work exactly the same in a Mach-E if that's what you purchase. Once you start your connected navigation trial, all you have to do is go into the navigation screen, and the way you get there is you hit the home button and then you just tap navigation just like that. It's going to bring you to this screen. Your screen will look like this. All you have to do is hit where to, super easy, and we're going to hit chargers. Now I'll show you a couple things about that real quick. Right now we have all chargers selected. But let's say we're really low on charging and we only have about 30 minutes for lunch and we want to use one of our level 3 DC fast charging stations. You can tell it's a level 3 by the 3 bars. Here's a level 2 and here's level 1. These level 1s are usually free. They're also a lot slower. So if you have a lot of time and you can park it, maybe it's next to your work, plug it in and leave it. Go to work. Level 2s are a little bit faster. They usually cost money, but level 3s are your DC fast charging stations. They definitely have a charge with them. I just want to remind you, and I'll remind you several times later, once you do activate this modem in your vehicle, you will get 250 kilowatt hours for free. All you do is you plug the vehicle in, boom, it's done. It reads the vehicle. There's no need to pull out your wallet. Once that 250 kilowatt hours is up, it will actually charge the card you have saved to your FordPass app. So you'll never have to pull out your wallet or anything like that. You just plug the vehicle in. So let's just say we want to go to the First State Plaza Shopping Center, which is over by ShopRite at 1600 West Newport. Because as you can see, if I just highlight level 3s, it's the closest level 3. So we're going to hit that. Then what happens is, it's super neat. It tells you, yes, we're in the Ford network. It's not a plug-in charge, which means it does cost money. If I hit more, it tells me it's an EVgo station. 2 of 4 chargers are available, and it costs $21 per hour. Now, that's because this is a very, very fast charger. It's open 24/7, rated a 9.4 out of 10. You can find ones that are less expensive, but this is a very fast one. If you're down at 0%, it would have you charge up to 80% in about 30 to 40 minutes. So as you can see, it's ultra fast, 100 plus kilowatts. All right. It tells me, so obviously I don't need to charge right now, but for the purpose of this video, we're showing you how to do it right here. It says I'll get there with 82% battery. Obviously I don't need to charge, but there it is. Then I would just hit go.
In 200 feet, make a slight left turn, then take the first left.
And it tells you exactly how to get there. All right, now that we have arrived at our public charging station, I'm going to hop out of the vehicle here and show you real quick how to use it. Now, as you can see, we're here at our EVgo fast charging station. It is part of the Ford Blue Oval network. And just remember, you do get 250 free kilowatt hours as soon as you activate your modem. Now, as you can see, here's our charging port. Since it's a DC charging, fast charging station, we're going to need these. So we flip that down. As you can see, the charger's name is Tony. All we do is we hit this release button to pull it out, and you'll see those match. That's great. That's what we want. I'm not going to plug it in because it will charge me. But again, 250 free kilowatt hours once you purchase your EV. And that is automatic. You don't have to do anything. It just, as soon as you plug it in, it reads your vehicle, whether it be a Lightning or a Mach-E. And it's that simple. Now, just to keep in mind, the charge port's always going to be on the driver's side front. So I just back in so I can have access here. But as you can see, we still have other people charging their vehicles as well. All chargers are full right now, but if they're all full when you get here, we just put it in the GPS and find you another one. All right, now hopefully you're charged up. You're ready to get back on the road. Keep it safe out there. And if you have any questions, please call one of our certified EV specialists here at the dealership. Our phone number, one more time in case you forgot, was 302-999-0261.